We're going to remove the hinges from the A pillar and the B pillar. We're going to leave the hinges on the doors themselves because the doors are being sold complete and I don't want to have to take the door cards off and everything. So we're going to be removing them from here. They've got to come off anyway from here, so that's the easiest place. Now unfortunately the heads of the bolts are so worn in places that I just can't remove them with you know, a traditional tool set, so I'm going to have to get the grinder out again. Now what I'm going to try and do, and I'm going to run through it because it is probably quite a nice little trick that you might want to know if you're doing this yourself, because if you've got an older vehicle you are going to struggle to get these off. I'm going to try and cut as close to the head as possible, and then hopefully, because the doors are all engaged, they shouldn't just fall off. So I'm going to go around, take the ones off I can do, and then we'll start getting the grinder out. To be honest, this is unexpected because they're turning, but they're just spinning. I've not come across that before, if I'm honest. Yeah, those are coming out. That's what we're looking for. Now these have got captive plates, but they shouldn't drop. There we go, that's our first door off. Just got one on here to do. Okay, so on this one, we've got the check strap removed now. It should just lift off. There we go. Door number 2. Oh, check strap on that one as well. I don't need the check strap on there, but I didn't really like yanking it off like that, so key, remove your check strap. Good on those ones? Nope. Nope. There we go, last one. I think if I can cut those a little bit closer, might be able to get them out. So I can get my hands on them at the back. Ta-da! There we go.